Cell boundary, cell membrane, plasma membrane, and biomembrane. Cell membrane, plasma membrane, and biomembrane found in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. It is universal. Cell membrane. Cell membrane are made up of two components, protein and lipid. Structure of cell membrane. Sandwich and Treadmiller model. Sandwich and Treadmiller model given by Darson and Daniel. According to this model, PM is made up of three layers: lipid, phospholipid, head polar and tail non-polar, head hydrophilic head nature and hydrophobic tail. Due to hydrophobic and hydrophobic nature, lipid phospholipid is amphipathic molecule. Unit membrane model given by Robertson in 1959. According to this model, all the cellular and organellar membrane are structurally similar. Given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. According to fluid mosaic model, protein arranged in phospholipid layer as mosaic pattern. Thus, membrane is termed as protein iceberg in a sea of phospholipid or gulab jamun protein in a solution phospholipid of sugar. Lipid phospholipid provide fluidity to pin, provide continuity to the plasma membrane. Phospholipid main component of plasma membrane. Phospholipid is the main components of plasma membrane because it forms continuous structural frame of cell. It provides fluidity to plasma membrane. Due to this, plasma membrane is quasi-fluid in nature. Phospholipid, due to this, plasma membrane show different function like intracellular junction and cell division secretions. Cholesterol, it provides rigidity to the plasma membrane. It is more rigid than phospholipid. It provides stability to the plasma membrane. It is absent in prokaryotic plasma membrane. All the place of cholesterol hapenoids are present in prokaryotic plasma membrane. Bacterial plasma membrane is hard because presence of hapenoids. Bacterial PM is hard because hapenoids. In protein, many amino acids join to by peptide bond. Yeah, protein is polymer of amino acid. Protein peptide bond. Protein intrinsic या integral protein, extrinsic या peripheral protein. Integral protein, it is tightly bounded inside the plasma membrane bounded cell organelle and membraneless cell organelle. Membrane bounded cell organelle: mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole or membraneless ribosomes and centriole. Note: all membrane bounded cell organelle is present in eukaryotic cell. Membraneless cell organelle like ribosome or centriole in eukaryotic.